Kensurfs here, and as you can tell, we are not in the shave den. I'm coming to you from Portland, Oregon, on the river right out here. And I've been up here, we came Friday, or we left Friday night, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I think it's Tuesday today. As you can tell, I need a shave. The negative part of this trip was I didn't check any bags, so I could not bring a DE razor on board the airplane. And man, those guys checked my crap this time. Long Beach Airport, they went through everything. But I did bring this. So if you're gonna bring a cartridge razor, might as well make it a classic. So I've got the Sensor XL here. God, definitely in need of a newer case, look at that. I've got the crazy suction cup that kept falling off my, was it tip? No, kept falling off my mirror at home up here. So we'll see if we can get this going. It's gonna be a brief shave, but I'm gonna show you a lot of cool scenes. Gosh darn, I hope this thing doesn't tip. Looks like it's okay. Let's see. You try to fix something. You guys can handle the angle. I don't think it's gonna fall. All right, so what did we bring on this trip? The Vulfix travel brush. My cool crystal skull. And flight friendly. So we're gonna do this. This will be a quick shave, but I got a lot of scenes to show you because we were in, I've been in Long Beach, Washington. We're in Portland now. I'm gonna be shooting some more scenes of the big old waterfalls that they have here in Portland, but I was all over. So as I'm getting set up, here's a couple of scenes from Washington where they filmed The Goonies, Twilight, Kindergarten Cop, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. They've done a lot of scenes up here. Here's a couple.
Then we got some real crazy guys. It's 53 degrees on the land. What is it on the ocean?
All right, now let's see. I'm gonna have to do a face lather here. It's been a few days. I was staying with the in-laws and now we're in a hotel. Sandalwood shaving cream. Hopefully we can get a face lather going on this. Let's see. Acoustics in here is terrible. It's working. This is my first visit to the Pacific Northwest, to Portland. I've been in Seattle before. And if you guys have never been, man, the scenery is incredible. But we're here in, what is it, October 1st? It's cold, it's freezing. Hence my nose is plugged up, can you hear it? Couldn't stop sneezing yesterday. All right, Sensor XL. I was in need of a shave too. Had to wear friggin' turtlenecks, Under Armour. Man, it's freezing. There's people here walking around in shorts. It was a trip up there in Washington. The beaches are a little different in up here in Seattle, or sorry, in Oregon and Washington than they are in Huntington Beach. You can actually drive on them. Check this out. Crazy, huh? I'm still able to score the Sensor XL blades off eBay, and you know, they pop right on the back here. Great for travel. But yeah, there's no way I would have been able to get it. I could have got the razor on the plane, but there's no way. I must have looked like one of those suspicious type characters, because man, they had to do the frisk and everything. I was like, oh man, well, go ahead, better safe than sorry. I'd rather them search everybody than let some crazy guy on board an airplane. And I gotta hand it to JetBlue. There's more, I'm tall, man, I'm 6'3". There's more leg room on that plane than, you know, Delta and Coach than in, you know, Delta, Hawaiian Air, America West, or no, America West isn't, what am I want? Southwest. I'm going too fast on this. A few more seams. Well, like I said, this is going to be a quick one. If you wondered where I've been, up north. It's kind of cool because the pine trees, it's like, for me to see the pine trees and the forest like that, I'd have to be to 5,000 feet in Southern California. The tree line starts. Here, it's right to the ocean. Where Lewis and Clark, I mean, I went to museums, went to everything. Just a cool place to visit. Cold place to visit, but some sights. So here's some waterfalls. I haven't been yet, so I'll put a cut here, and this is the waterfalls we're gonna go see. Like I said, I haven't seen them yet, so I sure hope I got some good video on there. All right. Okay. Oh man, smooth, 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 smooth. Right. Aftershave. God, look like I just woke up. I've had 2 coffees too, but I was sneezing all night. I guess it's the cold air. None in the ears. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and another travel video. All right, till next time, we're back in the shade den tomorrow. It's Kensurfs saying, have a great night.